Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the fog lights for the Toyota Yaris 2005 to 2011. So as you see here, we are going to open this box and we can see there is two fog lights here with the lamps inside already. Two, and it's actually adjustable for the level. We can adjust the level of the light, and I will put this one here, and here you can see the frame, the new plastic frame for the fog light. There is two, of course, and the last thing is the wires. The wires will connect the two fogs with the battery, and inside also we'll be having a switch, so we can put the switch, for example, here for the Yaris. You can see here we can put the switch here, and we can click anytime to activate the fog light. All the wires is there, and you can see also there is one relay, 12 volt 40 ampere, all the cables, fuse, also everything is there. You can see the electric schema here also in Arabic and in English. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you everyone.